Hello and welcome to the Foundations Workshop Series. I'm so glad you decided to join us. The Foundations course may be called Foundations, but it is really not a basic course. It's more of a way to lay the foundation within you to build upon your innate talents, skills, and move you into higher ascension frequencies. During the course of this workshop, I'll be sharing information on 4 important topics from the perspective of the Galactics and my higher self. You'll have activities to help you ground the information, and there will be a meditation for each topic along with a message from the Galactics. Before we begin, I'd like to tell you a little bit about me. I'm a certified master teacher of higher consciousness and healing with over 35 years of experience. I'm the originator of soul patterning harmonics, which is an ascension energy technique designed for healing self, others, and activating Akashic gifts. I'm also a certified intuition facilitator, Soma Pi healing practitioner, integrated awareness graduate, and Dolores Cannon QHHT practitioner. I'm a Reiki master and interfaith minister. My book, Mapping the Inner Landscape, Decoding the Symbols of Dreams and Everyday Life, helps the reader understand various dream experiences and how to make the most of what the universe is trying to say to us. All my workshops focus on a deeper connection to the soul and creator source to navigate the great shift into 5D consciousness. Private readings bring depth and intuitive insights to each individual's soul path and can cover any topic. So now you know a little bit about me. Let's cover some of the workshop basics. You can listen to the modules in any order, although I would recommend going through them as they are listed. It's not necessary to listen with a headset, but you are certainly welcome to if you want to do that. Just don't drive or operate heavy equipment during the meditations. That would not be good. As with any teaching, take what resonates with you and leave the rest. My soul has charged me with providing this workshop. Whatever you do with it is completely yours. I will be offering Q&A sessions based on the material bi-monthly for those who've completed the series and want to join. They will be live on Zoom, and you must be on camera to attend. I like to have everybody on camera so I can see them and they can see me. My very talented and intuitive artist friend Barbara has offered to create a soul portrait for those who take the Foundation Series workshops. You can visit her website, and I'll post the link below, for more information to ask about pricing. Please feel free to tell her that you took this course. Lastly, I want to express my deepest gratitude and appreciation for all those who support this work. The Galactics, my higher self, soul, creator source, and thanks also to all those in a physical body, including my best friend, and also thank you to Rebecca for all the work she's done on these videos. So let's begin. I'll see you over in Module 1.